Mohenjo-daro could well be A.R. Rahman's most difficult assignment when compared to his previous association with its director Ashutosh Gwarikar. When the core subject of a big movie is larger than life, the theme song needs to be truly grand. That's what the elaborate chorus put together by Rahman achieves at the very outset in the title track Mohenjo Mohenjo. Other than the chorus, the team of singers are led by Arijit Singh and include Rahman himself, Bela Shende and Sana Moiduti.